In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove green tick on desktop icons, Windows 11, 5 minutes. Those green check marks you see on your desktop icons are status overlays from OneDrive. They indicate that your files are synced to the cloud. If you prefer a cleaner look or you're troubleshooting icon overlays, here's the simplest way to remove them. Start by locating the OneDrive cloud icon on your taskbar down in the system tray near the clock. If you don't see it immediately, click the small arrow to show hidden icons and look for the white or blue cloud. Click that icon to open the OneDrive panel. Inside that panel, look for the settings gear in the upper corner and click it. This opens a small menu where you can manage how OneDrive behaves. We'll use this to quickly stop sync activity that drives those status badges. Next, choose Pause Syncing. Pick any duration you like, even a short pause is fine. Pausing sync stops OneDrive from actively updating files, which also helps ensure the overlay icons stop updating while we finish the process. Think of this as putting OneDrive on hold so it's safe to close. Now click Quit OneDrive from the same settings menu. Confirm if Windows asks you to. Quitting completely closes OneDrive, and once it's no longer running, Windows will stop displaying the green check overlays that come from it. In most cases, you'll see the ticks disappear almost immediately. If they linger for a moment, give it a few seconds or refresh the desktop to nudge Windows to redraw the icons. A quick note so you know exactly what's happening. Quitting OneDrive does not delete any files, disconnect your account permanently, or remove anything from your PC. Your files remain right where they are. The only change is that OneDrive isn't syncing in the background, and those visual status badges won't be shown while it's closed. If you rely on cloud backup, remember that changes to files won't sync to the cloud while OneDrive is paused or closed. You can bring the check marks back at any time by launching OneDrive again from the Start menu and allowing it to resume syncing. One last tip, if you still see check marks after quitting OneDrive, they might be coming from another cloud tool installed on your PC. The steps we just covered specifically target OneDrive's overlays. That's it. You've removed the green ticks from your desktop icons quickly and safely, with full control to turn them back on whenever you need.